Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have an unbagging. I just took it out of the bag and then I had to look and see what they were. So this is from VIPCrossStitch and it will be in two parts. Today is Wednesday, so next Wednesday will be part 2. So let's open this up. There are 3 cross stitches in here. So let's start with one, if I could just figure out which way I'm going to go with that. All right. Let me see if I can get this out of the bag. This is an 11 count. And it is it's an 11 count, 40 by 53. Pull this all out of this crinkly bag that's losing its stuff. All right. Let me see if I have a picture. Okay. Picture. Let's see if I can bring it in. It's the Great Wall of China. It's like one of the little stations here, and you see the Great Wall coming here and then going beyond it. So they had like over 6 different ones in this collection, if you will. And they're not all Oriental or that kind of thing, but so you had 6 different ones, or 6 plus different ones to choose from. So, I'm surprised there's not a picture. It does come with an instruction page like this. We don't need that unless you do to start, you know, a cross stitch. This is quite the paper. It has 40 colors. This is kind of a different printing. I've never seen all this like this, but it is quite huge. So it's very easy to read. It just has the product number and how big it is, the 40 by 50. And, oh, it does say here at the bottom, see, this is a different kind of printing. I've never seen this before. It's 216 by 160. And it looks like it's going to have some confetti. It does have some big parts in it. And 40 colors. So we got 310, 823, which is a dark navy. No 939, no 3371, and no 3865. So, yeah, let's get to looking at what else came in this little kit. I'm not impressed that they didn't have a picture in here, because that would have been nice, right? I will try to put a picture here. Right. It does come with a toolkit, and this is the puppy dogs. I don't know that you can see them. There they are. It does have a poof ball, 5 needles, a thimble, and a needle threader in it. Let me put that up there. Let's take a look at the colors. So these were kind of like they'd taken oil paintings, if you will, and made them into cross stitches. So it was something quite different. I've never seen this before. Oh, you have a hank of 3033. It's kind of got a green tone to it, but it's like tan green, if you will. So that must be either the background. Like I said, I just can't. Show me. So it might be the clouds here along the sides. I'm not sure where that would all go. There are some big areas there. But hang on, everybody is going 6 ways from Sunday. Now this kit, before I forget, was $11.60. But very nice printed colors. There's a little bit of bright here. but for the most part they're kind of muted. And then we have some bright blues, probably for the sky, and some golds and browns. Just really pretty colors. There's your 310 black, so there's not too much of it. You even have greens mixed in there, so green, gold, a little bit of peach. No bright yellow, but we do have gold. So, yeah, just kind of muted colors. It was kind of different. I don't know. I'm into different lately, so here we are. Different. And let's see here. Whoops. Let's look at this canvas. It is serged all the way around. Product number, same, matches your paper pattern. The paper pattern key will match this canvas. But look at all that confetti in there. It just... Then you have your big areas, like I said. I don't know that 30 number. 3083 is this pale. Like I said, it's the clouds coming across here, but I didn't think it warranted a hank. I mean, seriously. Okay. But yeah, it's very nicely printed and very easy to see. I don't see any smears. Very nice. Whoops. I keep bending it and then it causes a shadow. Bad. Nice to read symbols. Let's turn this way and see what it measures. It's supposed to be 40 by 53. It is 58. Oh, that's close. Not even. Okay, let's go this way. It is 52 centimeters, the actual picture. Let me see if this is 37 this way. It's 43 this way, so I don't understand. Did I mess something up? Or did they? It says 40 by 53 on my paper, but the actual canvas full size is 48.5, so it's closer to 60. So it's 20.5 inches by 14.5 inches. So it's big, but not too wide. Yeah, I can't seem to get these wide ones. Man, I can't win. They're so wide, you know, when you set them on your lap, you have to fold them down and clip them, and yeah. But I'm very happy with this. I mean, there's going to be some confetti with 40 colors. There's going to be something in here. Not a clue where to start on this at all. Yeah. It'll be different. Alright, now VIPCrossStitch has counted and stamped cross stitch, if I could just talk. They only have like needle kits. Does that make sense? They do not have diamond paintings. They have lots of accessories. They do custom cross stitches, and they also have crafts for the cross stitches, and they have free shipping on orders over $50. So thank you, VIPCrossStitch, for sending me these beautiful kits, or this beautiful kit that I got to show you, and the others that I'll show you next week. I greatly appreciate it. Well, thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.